Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix if Snapchat notifications are delayed. So here are the fixes that actually help. So close Snapchat first and go to settings. Once you're on settings, go to Wi-Fi. So you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test it. You can also turn it off for about 10 seconds and turn it back on and see if that fixes your problem. Because weak or unstable internet is one of the biggest causes of delayed notifications. Second, you can turn off battery saver or power saving.
Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're new, special welcome to you. You see, guys, my team and I have been working every single day to make videos just like this one for you guys. And for those of you who are subscribed, I just want to say special thank you. And I really appreciate the support from you guys. And if you're not yet subscribed, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. And if you find this video useful, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. That's going to give this video a like and it gives a signal to YouTube that this video was helpful. Thank you guys for that. I'm so sorry to interrupt your video, but I'd really appreciate this tiny but massive support. Thank you guys.
So go to battery and turn off battery saver or battery saving. So battery optimization often delays Snapchat in the background. If you're using Android, you can go to settings, go to battery, and go to battery saver and turn that off. You can also then go to apps, go to Snapchat, then go to battery and set it to unrestricted. Now, the next thing you can do is to go back to main settings and go to general. Next, go to iPhone storage, scroll down and look for Snapchat and open it. So here you have two options. You have offload app and delete app. Tap on offload app and confirm the action. So it will say reinstall app. Just tap on that and it will reinstall Snapchat. Now, once this is done, you can open Snapchat and check if that works. Next method is to go to App Store or Play Store and look for Snapchat. So open Snapchat and see if you need to update the app. So you should see an update button in here. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.